Hi friend, welcome to Technology channel. Please subscribe me first. Today I want to speak about Sumsung Magician. Now, please first go to the Samsung site and download it. And after it, open this Sumsung Magician software and extract and install software. Okay, choose setup language, English, United States, or another language you want. Click on next, preprint setup. Again, click on next, accept the term of license agreement. Click on next, again accept the agreement, and again accept the term of license agreement. Click on next and click on install. Wait to installation finish. We have two parts at this software, one for data migration and one Sumsung Magician. First open data migration. You can select the hard disk and after it target drive. After selecting your SSD drive, and you must attach another SSD and transfer your data to the new SSD. This part wrote duplicate OS and data stored on the original device to new Samsung SSD. You can transfer OS and data stored on the new SSD. After the Sumsung Magician software installed, go and open it. Close this part and click on finish and close Data Magician, and this is Sumsung Magician software. Here my Samsung Evo 870 500GB and the interface are SATA. Go on driver detail. The first Samsung SSD Evo 870 500GB, and this part are serial number, and another part are firmware interface are SATA 3 6GB per second, and ACI mode are activated. Total volume, disk 0 and disk 1. We have two disks. The total capacity of this disk of two volume are 565GB. One drive or C, the space 221, and another drive 197GB, and total space are 565. The name of this drive 500GB, but the real amount of SSD drive 465. A bit lower than the name amount. You can go to the performance benchmark and test the SSD speed and randomly and sequential speed by clicking this start icon. wait to process finish. You can use another part of Sumsung Magician software. You can use another part of Sumsung Magician software, like data migration, set a secure part for SSD drive that name SSD authenticated, and smart check, and other parts like performance optimization, diagnostic scan and test, and hardware provisioning part. You can resetting this device by PSID revert. This part allows you to reset your drive very quick and easy. PSID revert. You can set password for your drive by this part, encrypted drive, and you have another part like security setting. You can check your firmware version and update it. Very easy and simple. Now the job finished. The result are two parts, a sequential and randomly part. The sequential have a two part, one for read and one for write. At the read, we have 549 megabytes per second, and another part for sequential write, 550 megabytes per second, and randomly read and write are 65,000 IOPS and 57,000 IOPS for randomly write. These two parts are very important and show you how much your SSD drive is fast. When you read a file, you use the randomly read and write usually. When you booting the OS or going to a game, you must have a two-factor, one sequential read and write, and one important feature, randomly read and write, that's better another SSD. And these parts are in HDD drive are very low. And one of big difference from SSD and HDD drive, this part, randomly read and randomly write. That is big a factor for choosing your SSD drive. You can go on the diagnostic scan for checking your SSD holds, or performance optimization for enabling rapid storage mode. But my SSD drive don't support this feature. Or you can use erased and PSID revert or encrypted device that not supported in my SSD. But you can use this feature. On the final drive dashboard and the first option of my tab, you can see the temperature, 37. That is normal for your SSD drive. Samsung has an excellent chip in the world, and you can use this chip for your random access memory and your SSD drive. These software are very good and excellent, and you can use all of the features of this SSD drive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that is useful for you. Please subscribe me and suggest my channel to your friend.